Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So a few weeks ago Elon Musk demonstrated his Neuralink project. So I was very much curious to know about this project and the tech behind this. So I did some research and I just want to explain this concept behind this tech to you guys. So let's jump right into the video. So in this video I'll explain you what is a Neuralink and how does it work and what are its application. Of course there is a purpose behind this new invention, so I'm gonna talk about little later in this video. So the first question is, what is Neuralink? So let me explain in briefly. So guys, before explaining about Neuralink, I would really like to tell you guys how actually brain works. So whatever the actions that we perform in our day-to-day life is carried out by neurons present in our brain by producing electrical signals. It may be lifting your hand or touching something. It is carried out by neurons present in our brain by producing electrical signals. And nowadays we use smart gadgets and devices which are actually controlled by our brain. And this type of communication is called as touch interface communication, which is also called as a digital super intelligence layer. And we actually use artificial intelligence in our day-to-day life, right? So this kind of communication is called as a touch interface communication. And in order to increase the rate of communication with neurons, Elon came up with this project called as Neuralink, pretty innovative one, and it is called as brain machine interface. And till now we are used to with touch interface, right? And now it is called as brain machine interface, the next revolutionary product. And it is a chip that is implanted on top of the skull of your brain, and you can't even distinguish whether a person is having Neuralink or not, right? So it's called as brain machine interface, and it is regularly sends and receives signals from the brain. So how does it work? Well, it has an N1 processor that processes electrical signals of wide range of frequencies, and as you can see, each thread contains thousands of electrodes, and it is inductively charged just like our smartphones and smartwatches charge wirelessly. So it is charged wirelessly, okay? So as I told you earlier, our neuron produces electrical signals, right? During that process, a tiny amount of electromagnetic waves are also produced, and these are actually captured by the electrodes of Neuralink, and obviously it is in the form of an analog, right? So an amplifier is used to amplify it and filter, and it will be filtered later on, and finally it is converted back into analog to digital form using ADC converter. So guys, this surgery is done by a programmed robot, and since those threads are very flexible and very tiny, human hands are not impossible to actually insert it into your brain. And this one is very interesting. So Neuralink app will allow you to control your iOS device keyboard and mouse directly with the activity of your brain just by thinking about it. Well, I feel like it's more advanced than AI. So with just a Bluetooth connection, you can able to control your phone just by thinking about it. So cool, right? Let me know your opinions in the comment section below. Definitely it's very interesting one. So let's talk about applications, and the idea behind this Neuralink project is to help people with severe spinal cord injury by giving them the ability to control computers and mobile devices directly with the help of their brain. So this was the first application of this project, and the craziest application of this is you can actually save your memory into the cloud and as a backup, and you can retrieve the data whenever you want. So you don't need to remember math formulas no longer if you have a Neuralink, right? So I'm just kidding, but you can save your memory and you can retrieve the data whenever you want. It is said by Elon Musk during the presentation, and it sounds very funny but pretty innovative one. And apart from that, it solves several mental issues, paralysis, and several kind of neurological disorders by this Neuralink chip. So that's it for today, and if you found this video informative one, definitely hit that like button, and subscribing to the channel is much appreciated. And also share it with your friends who are really interested in tech, and also do check out other videos that I made. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, this is your Kiran signing off.